When it comes to motorcycles, looks matter just as much as performance. A great-looking bike draws attention before it even fires up. And in 2025, bike brands have gone all out to create machines that don't just perform well, but also leave a lasting visual impact. If you want a bike that looks super cool, you need to watch this. 10. Moto Guzzi Stelvio Duecento Tributo. Moto Guzzi has always had a way of making motorcycles that stand out, and the Stelvio Duecento Tributo is no exception. This bike is a celebration of one of the most legendary mountain passes in the world, the Stelvio Pass in Italy. The Duecento Tributo comes with a crisp snow-white base that is complemented by bold blue and red accents, colors inspired by the kind of gear worn by mountaineers and adventurers. However, Moto Guzzi didn't stop there. The bike's fairing and side panels feature intricate patterns that mimic the winding and hairpin turns of the Stelvio Pass itself. Take a closer look at the radiator grille, and you'll spot a stylized eagle emblem, a nod to Moto Guzzi's long-standing history and craftsmanship. And if exclusivity is what you're after, this bike delivers. Only 2,758 units will ever be made, a number that matches the elevation of the Stelvio Pass in meters. But if adventure bikes aren't your thing, Triumph has a naked bike you'll love. Talking about bikes you'll love, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos on your favorite motorcycles. 9. Triumph Street Triple. The Street Triple has always been a staple in Triumph's lineup for years, but the 2025 version refines its already striking design, giving it even more presence on the road. The first thing you'll notice about the bike is the signature twin headlight setup. These aren't just any headlights though. They have a sharp, almost predatory look, giving the Street Triple an aggressive front end that immediately demands attention. Paired with a compact fly screen and angular bodywork, the Street Triple looks like it's ready to pounce at any moment. Along the side, the bike still features a muscular fuel tank design, sculpted to allow riders to grip the bike comfortably, while also adding to its overall aggressive stance. The minimalist tail section keeps things clean, with a sharp, upswept design that enhances the bike's sporty appeal. But if you want something that looks fast even when standing still, Triumph has another amazing bike in its lineup. 8. Triumph Bonneville Bobber TFC. If there's one thing Triumph does exceptionally well, it's blending heritage styling with modern craftsmanship, and the Bonneville Bobber TFC is a perfect example of that. Right away, the bike's low-slung stance and floating solo seat give it that unmistakable bobber silhouette, but it's the details that really make this one stand out. The deep black paint job finished with a brushed aluminum and gold accents screams premium. Triumph has also gone with a blacked-out engine and exhaust system, which contrasts beautifully with the bright metal finishes, making the bike look both menacing and refined at the same time. Then there's the handcrafted badging. You'll find unique TFC branding on the fuel tank, engine covers, and even the seat, reminding you that this isn't just another factory bike, it's a work of art. But if you want something a lot simpler but still good looking, check out this next bike. 7. Honda GB350S. The Honda GB350S is one of the few bikes that proves you don't need wild designs to make something look great. Sometimes all it takes is clean lines, a well-proportioned frame, and classic inspiration. The GB350S takes after Honda's legendary GB series, which has been around since the 1980s, but it's been reimagined for modern riders. It sticks to a minimalist, retro design with a classic round headlight, a sculpted fuel tank, and a slim tail section. Everything about this bike is simple, yet effective. Unlike some retro-styled bikes that try too hard to look vintage, the GB350S keeps it natural. The spoked wheels, chrome accents, and slightly upswept exhaust all feel right at home on this machine. But Honda has subtly added modern touches, like an LED headlight and digital elements in the instrument cluster, to make sure it doesn't feel outdated. Now let's step things up a notch with a bike that bridges the gap between retro charm and modern muscle. 6. Triumph Speed Twin 1200. You can think of the Triumph Speed Twin 1200 as the Bonneville Bobber's rebellious sibling. It keeps the classic roadster styling, but everything about it feels sharper, more refined, and more performance-focused. The fuel tank is sculpted perfectly, giving it a muscular look, while the brushed aluminum detailing adds a touch of sophistication. The bike still carries a retro vibe, but it doesn't feel stuck in the past. What really makes the Speed Twin 1200 look special is how everything flows together. The compact tail section, the slight upward angle of the exhaust, and the subtle curve of the handlebars all create a silhouette that looks fast, even when it's standing still. Triumph has done a great job blending modern engineering with classic styling, using features like LED lighting, a sleek instrument cluster, and premium finishes that make the bike feel high-end. But if you want a bike with more energy, this next bike has all of that, but still looks super cool. Before we get into that though, make sure you click on that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. 5. Ducati Panigale V2. The Ducati Panigale V2 isn't just one of the best looking motorcycles of 2025, it's a rolling masterpiece that blends race-inspired design with everyday usability. Right away, the sharp, angular bodywork demands attention. Ducati has fine-tuned the Panigale's design over the years, and the V2 carries that unmistakable superbike DNA, sleek, aggressive, and sculpted for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. The full LED headlight setup is seamlessly integrated into the fairing, giving the bike a menacing look even when parked. Then there's the signature Ducati red paint, a shade that's practically a statement of speed. But in 2025, Ducati has also introduced a new livery option that adds contrasting black and white graphics, making the V2 look even more race-ready. It's the kind of bike that looks fast even before you touch the throttle. Talking about fast, if you're an adventure lover who wants something with speed, check out this next bike. 4. Kawasaki Ninja 1100 SX SE. Kawasaki's Ninja lineup has always been known for aggressive styling, but the 1100 SX SE takes it to the next level. The front fairing is sharper than ever, with an angular design that gives the bike a predatory stance. The dual LED headlights are narrow and focused, creating a look that feels both futuristic and aggressive. The Ninja 1100 SX SE is also one of the few bikes that really balances sport bike aesthetics with long-distance touring practicality. Unlike the Panigale V2, which is a full-fledged superbike, the Ninja 1100 SX SE has a slightly more upright stance, while still keeping that signature Ninja aggression. The bold Kawasaki green color scheme remains, but in 2025, Kawasaki introduced a stealth black variant that makes the bike look even more intimidating. The side fairings have been sculpted to improve aerodynamics while also allowing better heat management. A small detail, but one that adds to the overall sleekness of the bike. But if you prefer a full-fledged sports bike instead, this next bike might be the one for you. 3. MV Agusta F3 Competizione. If there's one brand that knows how to make a motorcycle look like a high-end work of art, it's MV Agusta. The F3 Competizione is an absolute showstopper, combining race-ready styling with that unmistakable Italian flair. The first thing you'll notice is its sculpted bodywork, which flows seamlessly from front to back. Unlike the sharp, aggressive lines of the Panigale or the Ninja, the F3 Competizione has a more fluid, organic design. It looks like it was carved by the wind. The triple exhaust system, stacked neatly under the tail section, is the signature MV Agusta touch that gives the bike an unmistakable presence. The paintwork is stunning, with MV Agusta offering a mix of glossy metallic finishes, carbon fiber accents, and bold racing stripes. The front fairing is aerodynamically sculpted, with integrated winglets that not only enhance performance, but also add an extra layer of visual aggression. The F3 Competizione is simply a work of art. But if you want the best of retro and modern bikes in one, it doesn't get better than this next bike. 2. BMW R12S. BMW has a long history of making boxer-powered roadsters, And in 2025, they've taken that classic DNA and refined it into something truly stunning, the R12S. Right away, the R12S stands out with its low-slung muscular stance. Unlike the more traditional R9T, the R12S takes a sportier approach, featuring a sleek fuel tank, a compact tail section, and a minimalist yet aggressive front end. The round LED headlight adds a modern touch, while still keeping that retro charm intact. One of the best things about the R12S is how it seamlessly blends mechanical beauty with clean lines. The shaft drive system, exposed frame, and air-cooled boxer engine aren't just functional, they're design elements that gives the bike a raw, industrial aesthetic. BMW has made sure that every visible component serves a purpose, and the result is a bike that looks as engineered as it does stylish. The color options for 2025 take things even further. BMW offers a stealthy black and silver scheme, a classic blue and white racing livery, and an exclusive M-Performance variant with carbon fiber touches. Each one enhances the R12S's already striking presence, making it a bike that looks premium at every angle. Now, if you want a bike that looks so good that people will come up to ask for photos, it doesn't get any better than this next bike. 1. Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory. The Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory is without a doubt the best-looking motorcycle of 2025. Right away, the sharp angular front fairing sets the tone. Unlike fully faired superbikes, the Tuono V4 Factory leaves just enough of its V4 engine and frame exposed to give it an almost mechanical raw appeal. The triple headlight setup is unmistakably Aprilia, with the integrated LED daytime running lights adding to its futuristic look. But it's the aggressive stance that truly makes this bike stand out. The high tail section, short muscular front end, and compact midsection create a silhouette that looks like it's in attack mode, even when parked. The sculpted fuel tank and aerodynamic winglets add both function and visual drama, making it look just as fast as it rides. Aprilia's paint schemes for 2025 push the Tuono's styling even further. The factory version gets an exclusive matte black finish with red accents, giving it a sinister race-ready look. Meanwhile, the RSV4-inspired livery combines bright metallics with bold racing stripes, making it one of the most visually striking bikes on the market. Which one of these bikes is the best looking for you? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos on iconic motorcycles.